Hello friends, so today we have a 2010 Chevy Equinox on deck. This is an unexpected detail. I was supposed to have the day off. So here it is, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm pretty sure we're not going to get it finished by 6, but we'll get things figured out. I can't come back tomorrow because I'm actually working on the truck. So we'll just have to stay until it's done tonight. If Bella was in the back. I don't know. We're going to have to see how that carpet's going to turn out. Well, I think this is the nicest part of the car. That's a little messy, but we'll get it. That camera's picking up some stuff that I'm not even seeing with my eyes. Children in it, maybe? Definitely. So, we'll see how well we can get this. Alrighty, friends. This vehicle is 95% done. The only thing left is the rinseless, but my dad wants me out of here. So I am going to show you what we got done. It cleaned up relatively well, but not as well as I was hoping, especially for a Chevy Equinox. It took me 45 minutes to do the console. Those seats and the seats in back are in not in good shape. Children have been all over them. If mom and dad wasn't such a mess, their kids wouldn't be such a mess. It's looking a lot better than it was. That looks pretty good. Now, that thing would not come out. I broke a lot of stuff up on it, but that was it. It wouldn't come out other than that. It wouldn't break up. Sprayed it down, still wouldn't break up. So I might try to work on that Friday when I come back. Alrighty, friends, so there it is. It is, for the most part, done. I'll come back Friday, do the rinseless. But other than that, I think we're good to go. I'm going to take it back to the car lot, and then I'm going home. I hope you all have a wonderful week or weekend, whichever it is. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.